somewhere behind these buildings. So to get here, we came from Dallas, Texas, 17-hour flight. We landed in Sydney at 6 a.m. and we spent most of the day at Bondi Beach, but now we're in the chaos. New Year's Eve celebration. All these roads are closed for cars, so it's pedestrian only for blocks and blocks around Sydney. Well, this is something. We found a spot and we didn't get a view at all. We're moving to see if we get a better spot. And actually, we're headed to the car because
Smarties are there.
oh my gosh. Jen said the crowd of people are more impressive than the fireworks.
Yeah, we didn't say squat, but
Which the crowds are pretty crazy.
there's so many people.
I know.
They said there'd be over 1 million people.
Yeah, I believe it. I totally believe it.
Next time we're coming on a yacht.
Yeah. Anybody got a yacht?